Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Nginx on Ubuntu VPS using apt step by step clearly. First, log into your Ubuntu VPS via SSH. Use your preferred terminal or command prompt to initiate the connection. Enter the command ssh your username at your server IP. Replace your username with your actual username and your server IP with your VPS's IP address. Once connected, you should see your server's command line interface. To begin uninstalling Nginx, first, check if it's currently running. Use the command system+status Nginx. If Nginx is active, it's important to stop it before uninstalling. Stop Nginx by typing sudo system+stop Nginx. Now you can remove Nginx from your system. To do this, enter the command sudo apt remove Nginx. This will remove the Nginx package but keep the configuration files. If you want to delete the configuration files as well, use the command sudo apt purge Nginx. After that, you can clean up any unused dependencies. Type sudo apt auto remove. This command will remove any packages that were installed with Nginx but are no longer needed. To ensure everything is removed, it's a good idea to check for any remaining files. You can do this with sudo dpkg lgrep Nginx. If any packages are still listed, you can remove them individually with sudo apt remove package_name. Replace package_name with the name of the package you want to remove. Lastly, it's wise to update your package list after making changes. You can do so with the command sudo apt update. This concludes the uninstallation process for Nginx on Ubuntu VPS using apt. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.